So, are you looking that coach for this campaign? Since now we have one more match against Korea. Get a goal, coach.
So you want to hit me again on that stage?
No, yesterday you want to hit me, then you want to put me out, and now today you want to ask me how I can motivate.
김판곤이 이끄는 말레이시아 팀이 43년 만에 아시안컵에 진출하여 혈전 끝에 1무 2패라는 기록을 남기게 되었는데요. 이에 대해 김판곤 감독에 대한 평가가 엇갈리기도 하였습니다. 말레이시아 현지에서는 2연패 직후 그에 대한 호평이 쏟아지기 시작했고 기자회견장에서조차 김판곤 감독에게 현지 기자는 무리한 질문까지 하며 그를 난처하게 만들기도 하였습니다. 그러나 마지막 경기 직후 김판곤 감독에 대한 평가가 뒤바뀌었는지 어제까지만 해도 무례하던 현지 기자들은 호평을 쏟아내기 시작하였는데요. 이를 지켜보던 김판곤은 그들에게 한국인의 매운맛을 보여주며 속 시원한 장면을 보여주기도 하였습니다. 어떤 내용인지 함께 보시죠.
We already decided that we cannot go to round 16. It's tough that there is no such a target for this tournament. We to prepare last game against such giant football country, Korea Republic. But we our staffs, try our best to. Very positive challenge for us. We will nothing lost, but depend on our performance and depend on situation. We may get something for the momentum or something foundation for the future preparation. So for us very important. We face a world qualification this moment, maybe coming March and June. And if we go to success to go to final stage, we may face this kind of such giant football country, Korea, maybe Japan, Iran. We may face. So we want to use this opportunity to taste, feel it. And yes, we want to learn something. Okay.
Questions from members of the media, please.
Coach, looking at Tajikistan and Palestine have already qualified to the round of 16 despite the difficulty challenge. Are you hoping that your players could follow their spirit to gain something for tomorrow, at least for tomorrow against Korea?
Yes. Must be learn something, gain something from tomorrow. I was mentioned. Tomorrow game is cannot be last game of this year, last tournament of this year. We face world qualification, and an important thing is Malaysia come here in 43 years. So very important thing is Malaysia must be consecutively to be here. Every Asian Cup final stage must be here. Then in one day we will challenge go to round 16. Not even another maybe Thailand. They get used to be. All the Asian Cup final they was here. Then round 16 last tournament was round 16. This is not the surprising. So I think for us, important thing is we need a preparation for the next challenge. We must be prepared well to get in this stage again after 4 years. So that's important. Yeah.
Hey coach, I'm Fahmi from Flesukan. Lately, the netizen and media, social has accused the third party or ghost hand to influence your lineup in your decision making. Can you clarify that?
Oh, me, I don't care. We already proved last 2 years to show them our best performance, best result. 43 years I brought the team to put on here. So when I win 25 something, no one was mentioned. Okay, so player side, to me, best squad. Okay, what they do, what they can do. So I don't care. I'm just looking forward. Just, we need to prepare well for the future. We don't need taking care of those, right? So I think, we better step forward rather than looking back.
Cup 2007, we get 1 goal. So are you looking that coach for this campaign, since now we have 1 more match against Korea? Get a goal, coach.
To me, nothing important. 1 goal for what does mean? Nothing important. I think your future preparation, really be big picture. I think we need to get more taste, more feeling, more smell against such a strong team, and gain something. Confidence important. So we need to prepare next preparation. I was mentioned that World Cup qualification. If we go to final stage of World Cup qualification, we may face again. So you want to hit me again on that stage. So not important. 1 goal, 2 goal, not important. Maybe who knows why you don't expecting we can win tomorrow. Everything can be happen. Okay, yeah.
Yes. That's for us a very fantastic result. Congratulations to all the players in Malaysia public. And I appreciate all the supporting from the government, club, FAM, all what they support us. I appreciate it. Grateful.
Please raise your hand if you have any questions and introduce yourself towards your question.
Coach Kim, yeah. The Malaysian team plays so well and so motivated against the strongest team in the group. So can I know what did you tell the player during the halftime break? What did you say to them? Thank you.
So are you looking that coach for this campaign, since now we have...
Yesterday you want to hit me, then you want to put me out, and now today you want to ask me how I can motivate to the player. No, this is what we have done. Always we are good together. We are like a family. What I say, always we need a best service to provide to the players. Environment. This is our job. We are maximize motivate players. But you never see this one. Then you want to hit me. Then you want to send me out. But you cannot do this one. Yesterday you hit me. Today you face me. So cannot do this.
이를 본 팬들은 KPG 그는 우리 말레이시아의 위상을 높여줬습니다. 그가 5년 안에 패배하여도 더 많은 성과를 달성할 수 있을 것이라 확신합니다. 감독님에게 경의를 표합니다. 김판곤만큼 훌륭한 코치는 처음이야. 우리는 이번 월드컵에 대한 숙제가 생겼어. KPG We Love. 이렇듯 마지막 한국과의 경기 후 말레이시아는 김판곤 감독을 지지하는 여론이 더 높은 듯합니다. 앞으로 김판곤의 말레이시아는 월드컵 아시아 예선을 남겨두고 있는데요. 김판곤 감독이 2차전을 통과하고 3차전을 넘어설 수 있도록 그의 선전을 기원하도록 하겠습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 유익하셨다면 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 행복한 하루 보내세요.